Hey guys, what's going on? Taco Tuesday. Okay. Chile verde, pollo tacos, street tacos, flour tortilla, pico de gallo, guacamole. It's gonna be good on the Blackstone. Taco Tuesday. Stick around. It's gonna be good. All right, guys. Got the Blackstone heated up. Just gonna put a little oil on here. Get it going. Always add my onions to this just to help get a little more flavor, not only on the Blackstone, but overall just smell in the air. You know, y'all seen my videos, you know I took out in the garage where I got my Blackstone set up. And yeah, I like drive my neighbors a little crazy. It's all good. Also showing you here when that's going on. I told you I was doing the Pollo Chile Verde, and this is what I got from my local HEB, from HEB Grocery, mi tienda para tacos de pollo y chile verde. Basically seasoned chicken thighs with the green chili hatch sauce. Stuff's real good. It's already diced. It's cut up. You'll see. I'll open the pack here in a second. You check it out. Good stuff. I've had them before. Did a test run on them, and actually at my brother's house we cooked them up, and they did well. So again, just throwing these onions on here just to help season this stuff up. It's gonna be ready to go in just a few minutes. I need to run inside and get a knife to open that pack of chicken up nice inside. I always forget something, right? To get that going on, and we'll be right back. Alright, we back, guys. These onions are grilled up nice and pretty. We got to just cut this chicken up, the bag rather. Get them on this Blackstone. Yeah. There you go, get them on there like that. Okay, turn that side off, those onions are done. A little water on there. Might put a little oil maybe. There we go. Then get going. Right over a little bit. There we go. These will start to break down as they're cooking. They already diced up, so they're going to break down pretty good. I put a little bit of water on there just for a little steam. Alright, we'll get back to this in just a minute. Alright guys, these chicken thighs come along good. I'm going to go ahead, and you know me, love my sucker busters. I'm going to go ahead and put some clucker dust on here just because it is chicken and it's sucker busters. You know how I feel about sucker busters. It's going to go good. Blackstone grilling sucker dusters. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. If you haven't tried it, get you some. Not just for barbecue. Blackstone too, you know me. Yeah, buddy. God, guys, it smells. I know you hear it. Everybody says it. All the YouTuber guys, all the video guys. I say it all the time. You need to smell this. It smells amazing. Well, it really, really does. I'm serious. God, it smells so good. It's gonna taste even better. Taco Tuesday. What are y'all cooking today? Probably won't see this video for a few more days, but this was done on Tuesday. Down here is Taco Tuesday. Every Tuesday. And you guys out there with your Blackstones, don't be afraid to hit them up. Believe that guy on QVC says, you know, hit them and treat them like they owe you money. You know, make that noise. Alright guys, these are about done. I'm getting ready to get these off of here. They're small chunks, so don't take them very long. See if I can find me a good little one here to taste. Let off the grill. Burn my mouth maybe. Wow. Oh wow. I'm burning my partials. Alright guys, let's get these on here. The grilled onions and the beef Monet. Alright guys, there you go. See that? How's that look? We'll make some good tacos. Yes sir. Alright. Catch you back here with the taste test in a second. Good, good, good. Gonna give them a taste. Alright guys, let's give this taco a taste. So you can see here, looking really, really good in shop. Oh yeah. Talk about layers of flavor. What's that blonde guy here with the spiky hair on the Food Network? What's his name? Guy, whatever. Says, take me to Flavor Town. Yeah, going to Flavor Town. Good stuff. Guys, I got 3 more tacos to throw down. Gonna tear them up. Try this recipe if you have an HEB near you. Grab that mi tierra tacos. They have different varieties, but this chicken, Pollo verde, is the bomb. It's awesome. Good stuff. Check it out. I'm gonna eat. Hey guys, what's going on? Just got through having dinner. Those tacos were amazing. Let me tell you. Try them out. But the reason I'm coming back on here after this, hopefully you're still around, is to say thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subbing to my channel. Really do appreciate it. It means a lot to have you guys following me or along this whole YouTube thing. Having a blast, loving it. I've had a couple of good cooks, had a couple of bad cooks. You saw my last video on the ribs. That was kind of tough, but appreciate you guys. You know, really do. Thanks a lot. Hopefully you'll hang around, tell your friends, share the videos, and some thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that. Have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one.